Welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can customize control center on our POCO M8 Pro smartphone. To customize your control center, first swipe it down and then swipe down to edit icon at the bottom of the control center. Now we can remove all the tiles that we don't want here by tapping the minus icon next to each one of them, and we can add new ones by tapping the plus icon to the ones that we want to add. Then we can also choose whether or not we want to show icon labels in the control center. So if we switch this toggle to the left, we will only see the tiles, and if we switch it to the right, we will also see the names or the titles. Besides, we can also customize control center on the lock screen of our device. And to do this, we're gonna have to go to settings, then open notifications and status bar, and then find the items shown on the lock screen after swiping down. If you want to show the control center, switch the toggle to the right. And if you want to control your tiles, your items in the control center, switch this one on and then this one too. And that's basically how you can customize the control center on your smartphone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.